Hello! This video is a tutorial on how to draw anime-style nipples. This is one of the methods I, Curefy, use. I say one of the methods because I like to vary the style, but if you get the hang of it here, you can create in various styles and even mold it to your own style. In this video, I will show you how to draw from the front and the side, all using the same technique, which you will see, if you get the hang of it, can be applied at any angle. Oh, this voice you're hearing isn't my real voice, as I'm a man. And this is the voice I use for my character Keyword Bunny Girl on my animation channel. Let's get straight to the video now. First step, draw a circle. This circle doesn't need to be perfect because this circle will define its shape. So draw the circle as you want, but with the desired shape. Now, in the center of the circle, make a small detail to represent the small holes in the nipple. You are free to do this in your style. Just do something to represent the small holes. After that, we'll take the eraser and remove some excess lines here, and add some small details by adding small line strokes. Now draw another larger circle around it to symbolize the areola. Again, with the eraser, remove the excess lines, and that's it. It's done. See how simple it is? This is the front view version, but you can use this same technique to draw at other angles. I'll show you an example now. Again, draw a circle. But now let's remove the excess line to avoid confusing the brain and make it easier to visualize. Remove just the excess line here on the side. Now, again, make some details to represent the small holes in the nipple, but this time do it in an arc shape to give the impression that it is from the side. Again, you can apply your imagination and do it in the style you prefer. Now, to draw the lines representing the areola, make a large arc. See, it's almost done. You can leave it like that, or you can make some adjustments like I did. I'll erase some excess lines here. If you don't want to, that's fine. Do what you think is best. And here, I'll thicken the line, and it's done. When you get the hang of it, you won't need to do all the steps. You'll start drawing directly from the circle shape. You will also be able to draw at different angles using this same technique. But remember, it's not just about copying me. You should let your imagination run wild and apply your style. This is just a basic formula to help you. I myself create different styles and shapes. I will post this image on my social media, and I will post it on my Patreon, making it public. And I will put the link here to this image's post. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave more tutorial suggestions in the comments. And visit my animation channel here on YouTube. And if you like my work, support me on Patreon. Bye! Hee hee.